Hi boys and girls, it's Miss White. Today we are on lesson 98. It looks like this. Make sure that you have your name up on the top before we get started. We are going to get started like we always do, 1 through 10, with some letter sounds. And then we are just going to get right into practicing how to spell with OW and OU. And then you'll do your worksheet on your own. All right, on number 1, let's do what makes shun. That is that final stable syllable, T-I-O-N. Number 2, that's j. That's J. Number 3 is f. That's F, or as a final sound, FF. Number 4 is dull. That's that final stable syllable, D-L-E. Number 5 is ul, so that's L, or as a final sound, L-L. Number 6 is oi, so that's O-I, or as a final sound, it's O-Y. Number 7 is ku, that's Q-U. Number 8 is I, that's I, consonant E, comma I, or as a final sound, Y. Number 9 is ch, C-H. And number 10, we don't have room for, let's put it up here, is R, A-R. All right, have a look, pause it if you need to before I move on. And Miss White forgot her eraser again. Use a Kleenex. All right, we're going to move on to talking about how to spell with OU and OW. All right, let's look at these words. We have cow, wood, sow, now, count. What do you notice? OW is at the end, right, of the word, and OU is at the middle, or if we say we spelled the word out, it could be at the beginning. So when we're spelling our words next, we're going to think about, does the ow sound come in the middle of the word, beginning of the word, or the end of the word? So let's start with number 11. We're going to spell round. So that ow sound is in the middle, so we know it's going to be an OU. We have ow, d, round. Number 12, we're going to spell shout. Again, that ow sound is in the middle, so sh, S-H, ow, the OU, and t, shout. Number 13 is grouch. Again, that ow sound is in the middle. G, ow, O-U, ch, R-C-H. Number 14 is how. So our ow is at the end. We have H, ow. Number 15 is cow. Again, that ow at the end. K. We know it's a C because O comes next, and that follows our rule. Cow. Number 16 is out. It's at the beginning. We just did out, so we know that's the OU, and then t, T. Number 17 is mouth. Mouth. The ow is in the beginning, or in the middle, so it's OU, and then th, T-H. Mouth. Let me give you a second. I don't have room to write all 20, so go ahead and look at these. Make sure that you have them all down. Pause it if you need to. And then I'm going to move on to the last 4, I guess, that we have. All right? All right. Number 17, or no, number 18. We did mouth, so we're on 18. So it was the next 3. Count. K, C, and then we know it's a C because O is our next letter, that ow sound, O-U, and then N, T, 19, we're going to spell sprout. The ow sound is in the middle again. Ow, O-U, and t, sprout. And number 20, look out. L, or sound is O-O, k, look. And then out, O-U-T. All right, make sure you have these as well. I'm going to explain the worksheet on the back because it's different from anything we've ever done. And even I was a little confused when I first read the directions just because it's so different. So the directions say that the most common spelling of OW is in the initial, it's not OW, ow, the ow sound is in the initial and medial positions is OU. That's what we just talked about. And then the most common spelling of the ow in the final position is OW. So it's irregular to find that OW in the middle of a word. So what we want you to do is circle the irregular spelling words, so the ones where that OW is in the middle. And I'm going to give you a little hint right here. Our first one is howl. See how that OW is in the middle? So you're just going to look for anywhere where that OW is in the middle instead of at the end. And you're going to circle that. And then you're going to code the other words just the best that you can on how we code. Remember the OW gets an arc, or the OU gets an arc when you're doing it. So most of this is probably, these all look, we have a couple 2-syllable words, but they're mostly 1 syllable. So you're mostly just going to do that arc for the coding. All right, I will see you guys on the next lesson.